Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have completed our exercise 1 and we have learned what is mean by complementary angles also. What is mean by complementary, Nana? If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then that angles are called complementary angles. Sum of any two angles should be 90 degrees. Sum of any two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then that angles are called complementary angles. In a complementary angle, sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. We have learned what is mean by complementary. Complementary means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then I said to complete in exercise 2 first bit and second bit. Have you completed? Next, third one. Two angles are, third question I have written on the board, see. Two angles are complement to each other and are also equal. Find the angles. Two angles are complement to each other. That which angles are we don't know, and the two angles are equal to each other. That means by adding which two angles will get 90 degrees. That angle should be equal. ఏ రెండు angles add చేసి మనకు 90 degrees వస్తుంది and ఆ రెండు angles equal. That two angles should be equal. That two angles are, by adding 45 degrees and 45 degrees we will get 90 degrees. Two angles are complement to each other. These two are complement to each other. Complement of 45 is 45, complement of 45 is 45 and are also equal. These two are equal. Then find them. The two angles are 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Solution. Two angles are sir 45 degrees comma 45 degrees. Both are equal. Both are equal. Next, Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angle is always acute. Do you agree? Give reason. Fourth question, Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angle is each angle in any pair of complementary angle is always acute. Acute. Do you agree? Give reason. Do you agree? Then give reason. Now Manasa is saying that each angle in a pair of complementary angle is always acute. Do you agree? Give reasons. Manasa says each angle in any pair of complementary angle is acute. That means if you want to form an acute angle, Manasa is saying that you should need compulsory two acute angles only. Complementary angle form చేయాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా మనకు రెండు acute angles కావాలని మనసు చెప్తుంది. Do you agree with her, Manasa? Yes, we have to agree with Manasa. Why means in a complementary angles sum of two angles is equal to always 90 only. If you take 90, then is that said to be a complementary angle? For example, if you want to draw 90 complementary means now you are taking 89 degrees plus 2 degrees. 89 plus 2 it gives 89 plus 2 91 degrees. Now it is complementary means sum of two angles should be more than 90 only. Complementary అంటే ఏముండాలనా ఈ రెండు కలిపి 90 ఉండాలి. But is this 90 or more than 90? Now it is more than 90. So to form an complementary angles, sum of two angles should be acute angles. Complementary angles form చేయడానికి రెండు ఖచ్చితంగా acute angles అయ్యే ఉండాలి. Is what Manasa said, is that correct? Yes, what Manasa said, that is correct. Do you agree with her? Yes, you have to agree with Manasa. Give reasons means in a complementary angles always sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then what you have to write? Do you agree with Manasa? And yes. You have to say Yes. Next, why? Give the reason means in complementary angle. In solution, sorry Nana. In complementary angle, always sum of two angles is 90. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Now, exercise 2 has completed. 4 columns has completed. After complementary, we have supplementary angles. We have supplementary angles. What is meant by complementary, Nana? If sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then that is called complementary. Then, after complementary angles, we have supplementary angles. What is meant by supplementary? If sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then that angles are called supplementary angles. That are called supplementary angles. Complementary and supplementary. Complementary means sum of two angles is equal to 90. Supplementary means sum of two angles is equal to 180. Next, supplementary angles. SUPPLEMENTARY. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means if sum of any two angles is equal to 90, when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then that angles are called supplementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to, if I take 110 plus 70, it gives 180. Now these two are said to be supplementary angles. Now if I have taken 130 plus 20, 130 degrees plus 20 degrees, it gives 150. Now these two angles are said to be supplementary? No. Why that is not supplementary? Because sum of these two is 150. We need sum of these two is 180. Is there 180? Did you get 180 here? No. If when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then that angles are called supplementary angles. Now by adding these two we got 150 only. So these two angles are not supplementary angles. What is the definition of supplementary angles, Nana? When the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then that angles are called supplementary angles. Then that angles are called supplementary angles. For example, if I have drawn like this, treat this as 120 degrees. Now I am taking another angle, that is 60 degrees. Now it is 120 degrees, it is 160 degrees. Total 120 plus 60 gives 180 degrees. Now these two angles are said to be supplementary angles. Yes, these two angles are said to be supplementary angles. What is the definition of supplementary, Nana? When sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Now it is a definition. Then we have completed the definition. Then come to the exercise. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. Now, see exercise 3, Nana. In page number 73, we have exercise 3. First bit. Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? That means, by adding which two we will get supplementary angle. Supplementary means we should get 180 degrees. Here we have 110 plus 70. 110 plus 70 it gives 180. So both are supplementary angles. Then you have to write like this. You have to draw. After drawing you have to write 110 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. In each row you have to write 2. Supplementary angles. Next question. 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. Both are supplementary to each other. Next. 140 plus 50. 140 plus 50 is 190. Is that said to be supplementary? No. 140 plus 150 gives 190. 190 is more than 180. 180 ఉండాలి కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకు 180 వచ్చింది సార్ 180 ఉండాలి బట్ హియర్ వి గాట్ 190 so 150 degrees and 140 degrees and 50 degrees are not complementary angles. Next, Find the supplementary angles of the given angles. Same like complementary. Second bit, exercise 3, second bit. Second bit is find the supplementary angles of the given angles. Supplementary means 180. Sum of two angles is 180 degrees. First question 105. Solution. Sum of two angles is equal to two angles is 180 degrees. Next, supplementary means now here you have to write supplementary of 105 is equal to 180 minus 105 from the supplementary. Now we need to find the supplementary of 180. What is supplementary of 180, Nana? Supplementary of 105 is 180 minus 105. Now subtract. 0 minus 5 not possible. If you take borrow from 8, if you now see 180 minus 105. 0 minus 5 is not possible. If you take borrow from 8, 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 will become 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 minus 1, 0, no need to write. So the supplementary of 105 is 75. Next, supplementary of 95 is 85. Supplementary of 95 is 85. Next, supplementary of 150 is 30 degrees. Supplementary of 20 is 160 degrees. Like this you have to write. Supplementary of 95, 180 minus 95, 85. Supplementary of 150, 180 minus 150, 30. Supplementary of 20, 180 minus 20, 160. Like this you have to find. Second bit, remaining all problems are your homework. Next, third bit. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. Two acute angles cannot form a supplementary angle. Justify your answer. That means two acute angles. Acute angle means less than 90 only, no? By adding less than 90 angles, will you get 180 there? Less than 90 means should not get 90. Less than 90 and 90 రావద్దు, up to 89 only. Up to 89 only. Now they are asking two supplementary angles, two acute angles. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. No. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Yes, acute angle means 0 to 89, not 90. If that is 90, then we have to say that as right angle. We have to say that as right angle. Now they are saying that now supplementary, Nana. If I have taken 0 to 89, acute angle means 0 to 89 only. Greater than 0, less than 90 are called acute angles. Two acute angles cannot form a right angle, cannot form an acute angle because cannot form a pair of supplementary. Supplementary means supplementary and sum of two angles should be 180. By adding 89 and 89, will you get 180 there? 89 plus 89 means 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 7, 17. You will get 178 only. Supplementary means 180. Did you get 180 here? No. So, two supplementary angles cannot form a, two acute angles cannot form a supplementary angles. If you have taken 0 to 90, then 90 is the right angle. ఒకవేళ మీరు మేడం 89 కాకుండా 90 అని తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 90 అనేది acute angle అవుతుందా? No. What is mean by 90? If that is exactly 90 degrees, then we have to say that as right angle. Now in the question they have asked only about acute angles. So we have to talk about only acute angles. Acute angles means the angles which are lies between 0 to 89 are called acute angles. 0 to 89 వరకు ఉన్న angles ఏమంటారంటే acute angles. 0 to 89 are called acute angles. Here also last acute angle is last one acute angle ఏంటంటే 89. By adding 89 and 89, did you get supplementary here? No. So you have to write two acute angles cannot form a supplementary angles. Yes, because sum of two acute angles is always less than 180. ఎప్పుడు 180 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఫార్మ్ చేయలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్, టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ సప్లిమెంటరీ టు ఈచ్ అదర్, ఫైండ్ దెమ్. టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ సప్లిమెంటరీ టు ఈచ్ అదర్, ఫైండ్ దెమ్. టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అండ్ supplementary to each other, supplementary supplementary to each other, find them. Then the two angles are, by adding which two same angles will get supplementary. Two angles are equal and supplementary. Equal, by adding which two equal angles will get supplementary angles. The two supplementary angles are 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So you have to say the solution. Solution is equal to, two angles are equal, so the two angles are 90 degrees comma 90 degrees. Both are equal to each other and supplementary angles. By adding 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90 it is 180 degrees. Right here supplementary. So up to here your homework, supplementary angles. So exercise 3 has completed. So you have to complete your homework up to here. In the next class we will learn what is meant by adjacent angle and we will learn exercise 4. In this class if you have any doubt, may call to me, ask to me, I'll explain again. Okay children?